Well, it's not a computer. It's another box that's over there, that blue box. See that blue box? How many of you watch Chipmunks sometimes?
I watch it every day.
Okay. Can I have Mrs. Harview and Mrs. Reed come up for a minute? Okay. Now, Mrs. Harview and Mrs. Reed are going to walk over here.
So we're not going to have to sing.
No, you're not going to have to sing. All you're going to have to do, if you have mic fright, you just have to close your eyes. Now, what I want you to do is talk normally and say, "Hi, kids." That's all you have to do. Just say, "Hi, kids." I'll hold, or you hold the microphone right there. And first of all, it's going to sound very normal. You have to get very close to the microphone together.
Together?
Both of you together, and just say, "Hi, kids," and it's going to sound just fine. First, go ahead.
Hi, kids.
Try it one more time.
Hi, kids.
Okay, that was normal. That's how they normally sound, huh? Now I'm going to turn on this box that makes them sound higher. Let's try it one more time. Oops. Now try it.
Hi, kids.
You can't hear it, but we can. Can't go any higher. Let's try it one more time. Okay, everybody be quiet. One more time, very loudly. Let's make them sound real low now. Ready? Let's try making them sound real low. Okay. Whoa. Let's try making them sound almost normal, but a little bit off. And I'll add the regular voices right on top of it. And you can hear two sets of voices. One's higher than the other. Okay, try that.
Hi, kids.
Let's try one more thing. Let's really embarrass them. Let's turn up a little control. No, you can't hear. That's true. I'm going to turn up a control that's going to make some of the sound go back into the machine and get changed some more, and it's going to sound very different. Try it one more time.
Hi, kids.
It sounded like me. Shall I take the microphone? Okay, I'll take the microphone.
You say it.
And I'll say it.
That gives us an idea.
Does anybody want to come up and say anything? I knew everybody raised their hand. I'm going to choose one person. I'm going to choose this gentleman right here. You don't want to? Oh, you were just... How about this young lady in black? Come on.
Make it weird.
All I want you to do, first of all, is just say your name.
Sheree.
Cherie? Say it again.
Sheree.
All right, let's try it. A little bit differently than that. Try it.
Sheree.
Let's try it one more time, only like this.
Sheree.
What am I doing to the sound? What am I changing? Does anybody know what I'm changing? I'm changing what part of the sound? The loudness or the pitch? Pitch. I'm making it sound higher or lower, aren't I?
Higher or lower, or you're adding.
Or I'm adding different pitches to it, right?
Like you might add something. They might be talking regularly about no pitch.
That's right. Here, let me turn up this control to make it sound more echoey. Here I'm adding echo, aren't I? You can hear sounds after I get done. What am I doing when I turn this control? I'll turn it down. You say your name.
Sheree.
Did anybody hear anything? You can't even hear it. All right, let me turn it up. Try it now.
Sheree.
Okay. That was almost too loud, but that was louder, wasn't it? Try it again.
Sheree.
What did I change when I turned it up? The volume or the pitch? No, I didn't change the pitch system, the volume. I made it sound louder or softer. So these instruments these instruments can make things louder, softer, or change the pitch. Okay, let's try some things that we did before. Well, do you remember? You can sit down now. Thank you. Do you remember? Let's clap for Cheery. Very good. Do you remember the sounds that I was making before? This sound and these sounds here. Okay. What I did was I made those sounds go into the microphone and you heard them, right? Well, you know, somebody else was listening at the same time and was sort of eavesdropping. Yeah, not that computer, but this computer. This is actually a computer. Did you know that? It's a synthesizer, but it has a computer built in. And when I was making those sounds into the microphone, this computer was listening. And you know what it's going to do now? It's gonna play them back for me when I push a key down. So let's see if we can remember. The first one was that whistle sound, like this. It's just gonna play a little piece of it, but let's listen to how it sounds. Remember how it went low and then high? It could do the whole thing if I set it up for more time, but I just had a little bit of it. But listen, when I change keys, when I push a lower key, what happened to the sound? Did it get higher or lower? Lower.
Press the highest key.
Okay, well if I press the highest key, that won't have this sound on it. You want to know why? Because this keyboard is special. It has a different sound on it. The keyboard can be split up into many different parts, and each part can have a different sound.
How's the highest part for that?
The highest part for that, let's listen to when it ends. Ready? Here's the first key. A different sound now. That's what it was. Remember when you were saying something? I forget what I had you say, but it was people cheering. Remember? Yeah. Just a little bit of it cut off. Oh, you want to hear the kazoo? Let's get through these people cheering. There's the kazoo. Again. That was actually these things. Remember when I played these? Remember? I forgot how I did them. But that's those things. Sounds like a horse riding. Let's listen to what's next. Ready? It's those. Remember I did these? There's the beans. The other ones was the money. Yeah.
You put money at smaller levels, like you do the water, it would do the same thing. It
Yeah.
would make different sounds.
Yeah,
That would be
maybe.
an interesting.
Yeah, I don't have enough money.
I
I'm
was just-
poor. What kind of money did we add? Coins or paper money? Pennies. Are those coins? Yeah. What would happen if we put paper money in there? It wouldn't make that kind of sound, would it? It would sort of like flutter around, huh? What if you tap the cups together, then they probably would make sound. If you did it too hard, it would what? Break. Okay, let's try one more thing. Let's take. What about Shri? Oh, you want Shri to come up here and make somebody else? How about this gentleman right here? Come on up here. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get you to say your name. What's your name again? Tyson. Hello. 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 There I am. sound funny? We'll make Tyson sound funny with the keyboard. Not right now. Ready? All right. Now everybody's got to be quiet because Tyson's voice has got to come through. And I push this button. And then when I tell you to say your name, you just say your name. Can you say your name right now? Say it.
Tyson.
All right. Ready? Let's do it one more time. Go.
Tyson.
Very good. That's your voice. It sounds high, doesn't it? It's sort of like this machine is doing. Let's go with it, okay? Let's go in, and I have to read my little book here. Actually, it's not a book, and I have to figure out how to make it sound lower. 67. Okay, ready? 68.
Maybe sit there.
Okay, here we go. Let's try that one more time and see if we can get Tyson. Let's see if we can get Tyson. Ready?
Lie
Okay.
down.
Ready? Ready, Tyson? Okay, Tyson.
Tyson.
All right, let's try it one more time.
Tyson.
Let's try it. When I say go, okay?
Tyson.
Go.
Tyson.
Oops. You have to say it a little bit louder. Let's see.
Make it sound funny like
Shout it when I tell you to go.
Tyson.
Very good.
Tyson. Tyson. Tyson.
Tyson.
Tyson. Tyson. Tyson.
Okay, now what I'm going to do, thank you, Tyson. That's very good. Well, we've got too many kids to do everybody's voice, but what I will do is I'll have the class say one thing. Okay? No, I think that would be too long. How about just hi? Can everybody just say hi right now? Do it real fast. Say hi. Okay. That's very good. Let me set it up one more time.
You're not listening. Now stop talking and listen.
Okay. When I say go, as loud and as fast as you can, you just say hi. Are we ready? When I say go. Ready? Get set. Well, let's see how we came out. I don't know. Let's see. 16. Hard to read upside down. 68.
We specialize.
Yeah. Probably 67. 7. Oh, you hear it? You want me to make it higher? All right. Here it is higher. Here's higher. All right, here's lower. Sounds like people at a football game, doesn't it?